A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, today we are going to move to part 3 of the 5th chapter, that is Tools of Scratch. First of all, today we will see some of the lap time. Now, I have already done the commands for you. Okay, I will show you. The first one is, let us try to move a ghost from one position to another using the glide block. Now see, this is our that scratch window. Okay, now the first one is, see, I have here inserted the commands from these blocks. These commands are there in the textbook. You can also follow them and you can also try them at your home. See, these all are the same commands which are there given to you in the textbook as well. As I've earlier told you, you don't have to remember it. You just have to see it and practice it. Now, I have listed these commands in an order. Let us see how the ghost is moving. See, the ghost is moving from one position to another on our screen. See, here then the ghost appeared. Once again, I will show you. Like this. Is it clear to you, dear children? This is how you can try it. The next you are having, let us try changing the color of the sprite by pressing the space bar key. This time lap time is also there in your textbook. It's from the chapters only which I have written here and I have tried for you all. Let us see the scratch window. The next one is the second in the series we are having a butterfly. Now we want to just press the space bar key. See, as I am pressing the spacebar key, there is a change in the color of the butterfly. See, different colors are being there just by pressing the spacebar key. In this way, you can just change the color of the butterfly with the help of these two commands. Is it clear to you? Next, let us make a boy walk repeatedly by changing his costume. Now for that also I have written some of the commands from the textbook itself. Now see, the boy will be moving, yes, he will move 5 steps and there will be slight change, very slight change in the costume of the boy. Okay dear children, he will be moving like this only and there will be only small and a slight change in the costume. Yes. In this way, you can just do it. I will just stop this. Yes. Now, next we are having, let us make the cat and mouse sprites talk to each other using the broadcast block. Now, we have seen this as well. Now, see, here we are having a cat and a mouse. Now here are some of the commands which I have already done from the textbook. Hello Mickey Mouse, how are you? I am fine, how are you? Then I am pretty good. See, the conversation is happening. They are talking to one another. Yes dear children, I will show you once again. See here, hello Mickey Mouse, how are you? I am fine, how are you? I am pretty good. Is it clear to you dear children? Yes, for both the sprites I have written some of the commands. I have arranged some of the commands from them. In this way you can do the lap time, you can practice it which is there in your textbook. You have to just see the commands and just you have to drag it and drop it here. That's it. From all these blocks you will just drag it and drop it and then you can create your own story, your own animations, anything you can create like that. Is it clear to you dear children? Next we are having the control. Now we have already seen what does the control block and they are already gold coated. Yes, and they are used to control something. That is for wait for 1 second, repeat, each and everything we have already seen in our practical. Next you are having the sound and the events. Now here we have also seen the sounds. I will show you the sounds as well and the events in our, see, In the events, we are having all these blocks. Now see, from here only I have inserted the blocks like when I receive message 1 and message 2, that is a broadcast message 2. From the events block only I have inserted here some of the commands. And in the sounds, you are having different, you can add different sounds, and you can also add on them on each and every sprite. If you want the sound to be come up, so you can just play a sound pop until done. You can just click on the green flag and then you can just do. Dear children, it's very easy. You have to just follow the commands. Next, you are having sensing blocks. Now, sensing blocks are color coded, bright blue, and are used to detect different factors in a project. Given below are the details of some of the sensing programming blocks. Now, sensing programming means कि एक sprite दूसरे sprite को touch करेगा, they will sense something and then they will also reply to the commands. Now, in the sensing program, we are having such blocks like ask what's your name and wait. It asks a question from the user. Touching the mouse pointer, it evaluates to true if the sprite is touching another sprite. Now these all are the different blocks and the functions are given to you. Once you will try it in the practicals, then you will be very much clear what are these blocks, what does the block means. Is it clear to you, dear children? Next, you are having the operators. As I have shown you earlier also, for the addition, for subtraction, for multiplication, for division. It is used for calculation and string operation. The color coded is light green. These blocks in the light green are known as operators block. Understood? Next, you are having data variables block. Now, what are the variables? That is for x and y. A variable is an element whose value can vary or change. To create a variable in a data block, click drawer, make a variable button. Now we will see this as well. Here you are having the option of variables. See, from here you can make a new variable as well. It is a data or a block. Now in this what means like the data which we are filling it can be changed or it may vary also. So for that purpose we are using the variables block. Understood? Set my variable to 0, change my variable to 1, show variable and hide variable. These all are the variables you are having. Now, what does my variable? It signifies the current value of the variable. Next, it assigns a discrete value to a variable, and it changes the data that is assigned to the variable. Now these are the different functions which you are having, and the lab time is also there in your textbook as well. Some of the lab time I have write for you, the other you can do it on your own. You have to just see the textbook and you have to just try it. Understood, dear children? Now, at the last, we will do a small lab time which is there in your textbook, okay? That is the sensing one, okay? For sensing, what are the commands we have to put? Now, here first we have to choose the sprite, that is the ghost. Yes, we have to choose the ghost. One ghost will be there, that will be the ghost 2, okay? Now we will just move this sprite from one place to another by dragging it, and we will do a new one. Okay, yes, like this. Now this is our ghost 2, and then we have to choose a different sprite which is named as Gobo. Now this is a new sprite. Here we are having Gobo. Yes. Then what you have to do, see, here is our Gobo. Okay, you can change the direction by this. With the help of it, you can change the direction of the Gobo like this. See, yes, but we have to make it little much like this. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now they will be sensing with the help of these commands. The first command which you are having in the textbook, that is move by 10 steps. Then you are having then touching, sensing. In sensing you are having touching the gobo. Then yes, this you will take, and then here you will choose, the gobo you are having, or you can choose the ghost too as well. Okay, then what you will do, you will choose the looks, that is say ouch or say hello. Here you will write ouch for 2 seconds. See dear children, I have listed these commands for the sensing. You can also just try it, and then you will press just the green flag. Is it clear to you dear children? Yes, the chapter is very much easy. You can try it at your home by just looking through the textbook and the commands. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can call me. Now, dear children, in the last, you have to try out just these lap times. That's it. You will try out these lap time at your home, and then if you are able to send me the photo shot, you can send me. If you are able to try out these lap time, you can please try out these lap time. Is it clear to you dear children? I hope the chapter is very much clear to you. We will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye bye. God bless you all.